Hey guys, this is Bryan with a Guarantee Rate Affinity, and this is your Mortgage Minute. So what's happening in the market? We're seeing inflation numbers come in hotter than expected. So we're seeing that at 3.2% versus the 3.1 that we saw last month. So instead of going down, we're seeing it go up. A big reason for that is consumer spending. We're seeing a ton of consumer spending. The funny thing about that, or not so funny, I guess, is that it's mostly on credit cards. So we're seeing the largest credit card debt we've seen in 20 years is starting to accumulate. So that's actually not good for the economy, and that'll kind of come into factor later on during the next probably year or so. So we're seeing hotter than inflation numbers than we expected. We're seeing a failed auction. So the Feds tried to auction off $36 billion in Treasury bonds, and that failed miserably. And so we're starting to see the market react unfavorably to all that. So what is that doing? That's causing rates to be up a little bit temporarily. But some good news to all this is that CalHFA has released their final dates for registration. So CalHFA is the Dream for All program, and we're starting to see that April 3rd is going to be the initial registration date. So get in now as far as pre-approvals. They're going to keep the registration open from April 3rd to April 29th. So we're going to see a large window there. They're taking 1,500 names out of that, and they're going to put them into a lottery system, at which point they'll have 90 days to find a home if you get picked. So get in now. Don't be scared if you don't get picked on the first round. We think there's going to be a second round as well, because a lot of those people in that first round may not qualify or for the guidelines, the new guidelines that are there. So if you have any questions or anything else as usual, just reach out. Always